Jai Gurudev, welcome back again in another video. See, look at the board properly. I have drawn few shapes. In the board. You see shapes, and I have given some written something in the board. You see shapes, then name of the shape, number of sides, number of angles. We have already discussed about different kinds of shapes in our surrounding. Although lots of shapes are also left, but I have tried to discuss the important ones. Anyways, the first shape it's a COC is a, already have discussed it. It's a, what is the shape of the what is the name of this shape? It's a triangular shape. It's a triangle, and the shape is called, since it's written name of the shape, so I am writing it's a triangular, but it's a triangle. How many sides it has? You see sides. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. How many angles you see? Angles. 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 angles. Now coming to the next one. It was having 3 sides. It's very clear. By looking at the figure only, you can identify how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also in this figure, I am discussing, since both the figures are same only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both the figures are having same 4 sides. Straight away here you can write 4. Here also 4 sides. 4. Now what is the difference between these shapes? Here all the sides, 4 sides are looking of same length. All the 4 sides are of looking same length, but here the opposite sides are looking of same length. The opposite sides are looking of same length. This one and this one and 2 and 4 looking like same, 1 and 3 looking like same. So opposite shapes are looking same. This is known as square shape, and this is known as rectangular shape. So that is square shape, and this is rectangular shape. Now let us count how many angles it has. You see 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So both the figures are having same 4 angles. So only difference is that here all the sides are looking same, here opposite sides are looking of same length. Coming to the next one. First let us count how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see the earlier one having 4 sides, now it is having 5 sides. Now it's a 5-sided figure. So 5-sided figure is known as, it is totally new to you, brand new. It is known as pentagonal shape. That is known as pentagonal shape. 5-sided figure is known as pentagonal shape. Number of sides is 5. How many angles? Always remember that the number of sides it has, the number of angle it will have. Means जितना side होगा angle उतना ही होगा. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of sides is 5. So number of angles also 5. Coming to the next one. How many sides it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the earlier figure was having 5 sides. Now this figure is having 6 sides. 6-sided figure. 6-sided figure is known as, this shape is known as hexagonal shape, and figure is known as hexagon. Figure is known as hexagon, and the shape is called hexagonal shape. Number of angles, as I told you, the number of side it has, the number of angles will be same. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number of sides and number of angles is same. So although see, we have discussed up to number of sides is 6, it will be continue later on. Number of sides could be 7, number of sides could be 8, number of sides could be 9, number of sides could be 10, number of sides could be more than 10 also. So what will happen, what is the name of the shape on this, on that cases, we will discuss later on. So for today, up to this much only. I hope all of you have understood. If you have any query, you can ask to me. Feel free to ask me. I am there to help you in every moment. Thank you.